Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Sport S 4xe in Silver Zenith. With LED headlamps and fog lamp roof, sport suspension, 20-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, Sky One-Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7981.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.